you guys had a chance to have a brain break. Sorry about the wiggle there. So for math, we are transitioning to using these actual math books, these Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 2 books, okay? So for today, you're going to go ahead and open up to page 1 here. And it says, read the math story. Make a simple math drawing with labels. Circle 10 and solve. So Bill went to the store. He bought 1 apple, 9 bananas, and 6 pears. How many pieces of fruit did he buy in all? So here's 1 banana, okay, 9 bananas, and 6 pears. So you can take 1 plus 9, and that equals 10. So circle all 10 together. And then 10 plus 6 is a little bit easier to solve, right? Okay, so 1 plus 9 plus 6, you can combine these two first and then just do 10 plus 6, and that would be 16. Okay, so 1 plus 9 plus 6 is the same thing as 10 plus 6. You're just making it a little bit simpler for yourself to add. Okay, so just like that. The next one says, Maria gets some new toys for her birthday. She gets 4 dolls, 7 balls, and 3 games. Okay, so we're going to draw a picture. She gets 4 dolls. Okay, and these dolls do not have to be okay, so it's very difficult to draw dolls, but I'm doing my best. Okay, so here's my 4 dolls. They look kind of funny. There they are, 4 dolls. Now 7 balls, that's a little easier to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's my 7 balls and 3 games. And I'm just gonna do like board games in a box. So I'm gonna do 3 rectangles. Okay? So down here, you're gonna fill in the numbers as they were in the story. So 4 goes here, 7 goes here, and 3 goes here. 4 plus 7 plus 3. Okay? 4 plus 7 plus 3. Now, I know how to make 10, so I know that if I combine 7 plus 3, then that equals 10. So I could circle that and say 10. And then down here, all I have to add is 10 plus 4, which is a little bit easier for my brain to make sense. Okay, so that's going to be 14. So 4 plus 7 plus 3 is 14, or 10 plus 4 is also 14. And then down here, you have to make sure you write the answer. Okay? Maria received 14 toys. So then we're going to move on to page 2 and 3. And then you are done with math for today, okay? So here's 3. Maddie goes to the pond and catches 8 bugs, 3 frogs, and 2 tadpoles. Okay, so I'm going to draw 8 bugs. And then 3 frogs. Man, frogs are hard. And then 2 tadpoles. Okay. So here's 8 bugs, 3 frogs, and 2 tadpoles. You're going to write those number quantities right down here. 8 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. right here. And I know 8 plus 2 equals 10, so I can combine those two to make 10, and then add 3. So 10 plus 3 helps me solve it. It's 13, so 8 plus 3 plus 2 is 13. Maddie caught 13 animals. Okay, so finish yours just like this. Then move on to number 4. Molly arrived at the party with 4 red balloons. Kenny came next with 2 green balloons. Dora came last with 6 balloons. How many balloons did these friends bring? So you're going to need your colored pencils. So there were 4 balloons that are red. Then Kenny came with 2 green balloons. And then Dora came with 6 . Okay, let's see. So you're going to need a red coloring pencil. You're going to need a green and blue. Let's see if I have those. Okay. There's green. Let's see, red down there. And blue. Okay. Because they're all the same thing, they're all balloons, you definitely want to color so that you don't get your math mixed up. Okay. There you go. 4 red, 2 green, and 6 blue. 4, 2, and 6. I know that 6 and 4 make 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. All right. And then over here it says, read the math story, make a simple math drawing with the labels, circle 10 and solve. So Chris bought some treats. He bought 5 granola bars, 6 boxes of raisins, and 4 cookies. How many treats did Chris buy? So 5 granola bars, and then 6 boxes of raisins, and 4 cookies. Okay. Here's 5 granola bars, 6 boxes of raisins, and 4 cookies. You plug in those numbers down here in this number bond and then solve, okay? Just a little hint, combining 6 and 4 makes 10. And then do the last one down here on your own. And when you're done, you can check your answers with mine.
Oh, you're still here.